breakfast scones. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna make something that you can make for your next breakfast scones. And you're starting right off by adding literally all your dry ingredients into one bowl. It doesn't matter what order you put them in, just add everything into the bowl and mix them all together. Next up, you add in your oil and your milk and you mix them all well done together. The next ingredient is optional, but I wanted to add a little something to lift the flavor. That's why I added in sun-dried tomatoes. And of course, don't need to add this in if you don't like. It's optional. And I chose to cut up the tomatoes into smaller pieces, added them into the mix, and remember here to stir really well to mix the tomatoes all in with the dough. Next up, bring out a piece of baking paper and split the dough into 2 equal pieces. Flatten them out until they are 1 to 2 centimeters thick. Draw marks on them like it's a pizza slice and bake them inside the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. When done, let them cool a little down before cutting them up. That's what the pizza marking is for. And enjoy. So if you like breakfast scones, it only takes a total of 30 minutes to making these, so give this recipe a try. Thanks so much for watching this video and see you in another video tomorrow. Bye!